Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be making bananas foster in a slow cooker. I'm probably only going to do maybe one more recipe out of here and retire, I guess you could say, this cookbook because I've done quite a few recipes in here. Maybe when I get to a dollar store I will see if they have a few copies of this, because a few of my subs said they couldn't find it in their Dollar Tree. If I can find a few copies of this, I will grab them and, I don't know, maybe have like a little giveaway, you know, like get like 4 or 5 of them and just do like a 24-hour, I don't know, giveaway or something, and send a few out, you know. But this definitely is a good little cookbook for $1, I'll tell you. It really is. So, for this you need a couple of bananas, some melted butter, brown sugar, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, of course, vanilla ice cream. It says a 1/4 cup of rum. I don't have rum, but I was thinking that possibly maybe using, I don't know, maybe using some extra vanilla extract maybe with it. I don't know, I'm not sure. I'll have to see. And it says that everything cooks on low for 2 hours. Well, we already know a newer slow cooker, this is probably going to be done in under an hour even. I'm going to say probably about half hour, 45 minutes. I'll give it an hour just to be on the safe side. So I'm going to start with slicing up the bananas. But I decided to just use the mixture butter instead. More than 5 tablespoons. I think I'm going to go with like maybe 10, 12. And I have a half hard, half soft bag of brown sugar. There is a trick, and if anybody remembers what it is to soften up brown sugar that may have gotten hard, will you please let me know in the comment section. I think I read somewhere once taking a damp paper towel, I think, and putting it over the brown sugar in a bowl in a microwave or something for so many seconds or something is supposed to soften it. I might be wrong. I might have gotten it wrong. I'm not sure. But I could have sworn I read something about that online, about a paper towel and a microwave. So let me know if you have a trick that works about softening up brown sugar. So at least I'm going to use what is soft, and I'll put the rest in freezer bag, and then next time when I go to use it, I will know how to soften it up. So yeah, let me show you. There's the peeled bananas, peeled and cut up. So yeah, let me work on melting my butter here and getting together a cup of brown sugar. 2 sticks of butter melting on medium on the stovetop. That's to compensate for not having the 1/4 cup of rum. Here's my cup of brown sugar, and I have a few small hard pieces, as you can see, and I'm just trying to break those small pieces up. carefully. Okay. That was probably just from the bag it was in. So I couldn't think of any other way to break them up. Okay, so there is my 2 sticks of butter, cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to pour this over the bananas. Guys, that smells good, and I just turned it on. So it says cook on low for 2 hours. As I said, this will probably be done in an hour. So I'm going to check on it in a half hour. Just wanted to show you. It's been on for half hour, and it's starting to bubble now. That was my timer going off, letting me know. I wanted to record this clip quick. Like I said, this is going to be ready in an hour, so I'm going to reset it for another half hour. So it is done, and I was right. I said in an hour it would be ready. Well, there it is. So let me give this a taste. I haven't tasted this in years. Let me give it a taste here. See how it turned out. Oh my goodness. Wow. Holy Hannah. This is so good. Really good. I'm kind of moved sideways because my slow cooker is right here. And I don't have my phone on tripod, so yeah. But, oh my goodness. This is like amazing. Wow. Well guys, this is so darn tasty. It really truly is. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.